I'm working on a law that would restore the Reserve Officers Training Corps. Who else would defend you? You always ask America for help. They will not die for you. Kayo ang mapakamatay sa bayan natin. You have to go back to ROTC, the Reserve Officers Training Corps. Kasi yung mga ROTC, yun yung may training, going reserve officers nga eh. Because if there is really violence, anarchy, ang makaalam niyan, ang marunong mag-handle ng M16, M14 o mortar, yung mga ROTC, yun yan silang mag-guide sa mga civilian na walang alam. I just do not know what was the rationale o rationale ng utak ng mga, at there was this hazing incident in USD that resulted in the death of about 1 or 2. Tapos, I think it was Congress scrapped entirely the ROTC. Diyos ko po, that was really a very short-sighted. We could have just investigated and placed to put to prison. Bakit mo tanggalin yung ROTC? Kung magkagulo tayo, kayong mga ROTC ang magturo sa civilian kung paano mag-cock ng baril, paano mag-load sa magazine, paano mag-repair, and how to fight. Wala tayo ngayong residual. Tinanggal nilang ROTC, yung iba ayaw. Well, or would you rather that I would come up with a law that would conscript you? Do you know what is conscription? Conscript. You are required by the government, kagaya ng Israel, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia. You are required to undergo military training compulsory. So make a choice.